So it is my pleasure to welcome you to Nairobi and to the opening of our capacity building program in digital and interactive e-learning content development. We are very much aware that across Africa, demand for flexible, accessible and high quality education is rising faster than ever. Technical and vocational education and training must rise with it, because we don't want that technology is rising and our TVET center is left behind. So we were looking for how do we rise with the change in the technology. Yet one critical obstacle remains. Too few trainers possess deep technical expertise and the digital pedagogy competencies to craft engaging interactive online programs. So that's a gap that we are having a challenge with the trainers who can be able to prepare digital pedagogical training and offer it with the required competencies. So this week we begin to solve that problem of equipping our trainers with the required competencies that will help them to do their works. So with the guidance from a renowned specialist, Festo Didactic, German, we will empower a new cohort of electrical trainers to design, develop and deliver e-learning content that meets and surpasses modern TVET standards. Over the next 5 days, you will plan and gain practical skills, mentorship and resources that can be deployed immediately when you return to your home or you return to your workstations. So why does this matter? First, it will enable your institution to reach more learners whenever they may be, because if we are preparing online content and this content will be put on a common platform, standard. So whether you're in Nigeria, whether you're in Malawi, it will be standard. You are going to access the same quality. And so we are looking at your institution being enabled to reach more learners. So it enlarges the scope. So second, it will raise the quality and interactivity of your online courses, keeping students motivated and on track. That it will build confidence among trainers, unlocking fresh creativity for the virtual classroom management. Once you learn this, it enhances your own confidence. You being in this context, you will be able now to see on how you can be able to get the content clear so that it becomes involving and the students are able to be immersed in it because of the methodology that you have used. Because they might go to other methodologies which might not be really be the right one. But once you have learned the right pedagogical approaches and the didactical approaches, you will be able to prepare your content in an interactive way, and that will make the student more involved in what they are doing. Otherwise, they will go to look for the information. The fourth point, it will position your institutions at the forefront of technology trends that are reshaping education across the continent. If the discussions on e-learning are taking place and we ourselves, we are not there, and we claim to be the major driver of technology in Africa. Now, if the world is going technology and we ourselves, we are not in that level, then I believe that we are doing disservice to the young people, isn't it? Yeah. And if it's for them that we are there, then we need to up our game. So that's why I say that it will position your institutions. By the other time the others wake up, you will already be the one who is training the others. So take it very seriously that at the end of this, you would have already improved your competences in this. And you can be able to go down, start by training your colleagues who are in other departments, yeah, and then from there, other institutions can come in and start training them, yeah. So don't be selfish with your knowledge. By integrating strong didactical principles into digital content, we will ensure that technology serves pedagogy, not the other way. Technology serves pedagogy, not the other way. So dear friends, our presence here signals our commitment to innovation and the success of Africa's next generations of technicians and engineers. I thank your institution for nominating you, and congratulations for you being nominated for this, and recommend each of you for embracing this digital transformation journey. Take it personally, it is going to create change in yourself, because we are looking at the personal, professional development, yeah, as well as the institutional development. So the institutional development will not take place until your personal, professional development takes place. That's why we are here for that. So let us learn eagerly, share openly, and collaborate boldly. When we leave this hall on 24th of March, may we do so not only as better trainers, but also as champions of future, where every learner can access high-quality technical education anytime, anywhere. Our Household Electrician course will be designed and delivered with high levels of quality, and we believe that.